Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Ravensburger Minecraft Builders and Biomes. This is a strategy board game. Whoa, age 10 and up. True Minecraft experience, developed in collaboration with Mojang. Minecraft Builders and Biomes brings us players together in a shared in-person experience, a new adventure every time we can explore a new overworld grid and try a new building and biome strategy every time. And yeah, easy to learn with a clear, high-quality instruction manual, which is in the box. Start playing right away. We will get Builders and Biomes comes with the high-quality game pieces including 64 resource cubes, 64 building and monster cards, 33 weapon tokens, 4 player boards, and 4 experience counters, 4 character skins, and 4 game piece bases, 12 overview cards, 1 resource cube base, and 1 support structure, and instruction, of course. This makes a great gift. Minecraft Builders and Biomes is a perfect holiday or birthday gift for Minecraft lovers everywhere. Player count up to 4. The playtime is around about 30 up to 60 minutes, and the recommended age is 10 plus. Explore the overworld, face dangerous mobs, and mine resources to build fantastic structures. The world's best-selling video game, Minecraft, has been adapted into an easy-to-learn strategy board game, perfect for tabletop gamers and, of course, Minecraft fans as alike. Each turn, the players take 2 or 5 possibility actions. Explore the overworld, mine resources from a block of resource cubes, build structures, collect weapons, or fight mobs like Enderman and creepers. Build carefully and fight bravely to win. Design collaboratively with Mojang to evoke the same feel as Minecraft as well. Innovative gameplay is enjoyable even for those who never played Minecraft before. We have a mine for resources. Explore the overworld and defeat the mobs. That's really awesome. Haha, fight bravely to win. And now, let's have a look how this game works, because inside we have a bunch of cards and papers, etc. First step is we have to sort them, and then we get an setup to start playing that game. In Minecraft Builders and Biomes, the players explore the world, mine blocks, and build spectacular structures. We can plan our builds carefully and defeat dangerous mobs to win. First step is we have to set up the board. For this, we have to sort each material, each card, and then we can start with playing that awesome Minecraft Builders and Biomes games for 2 up to 4 players, and it comes with a bunch of control, with a bunch of materials and wooden structures, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.